Let's talk about the servo motor. Servo motors are fascinating little devices that allow for precise control of angular position. Unlike regular DC motors that spin continuously, a servo motor can be positioned at a specific angle, making them incredibly useful in a wide range of applications. So what are they? Precise positioning. Servo motors are designed for accurate control of angular position. You tell them to go to a specific angle and they will do their best to get there and stay there. Feedback system. They achieve this precision through a feedback system. The servo has a built-in sensor, usually a potentiometer, that tells it is a correct position. Closed loop control. This feedback is sent to a control circuit inside the servo. The control circuit compares the current position to the desired position and make adjustment to the motor until they match. This is called closed loop control. Most hobby servo has three wires. Power, which is VCC, supplies the electrical power to the servo. Ground is the ground connection. The signal is the control wire. You need to send a specific signal, that is a PWM, to this wire to tell the servo what angle to go to. Now, how they work. Control signal. So you send a PWM, which is a pulse width modulation signal, to the servo's signal wire. The width of the pulse determines the desired angle. Then we have the internal feedback, which is a potentiometer connected to its output shaft. This potentiometer provides feedback on the shaft current position. Comparison and adjustment. The control circuit inside the servo compares the desired position from the PWM signal to the actual position from the potentiometer. Motor control. If there's a difference, the control circuit adjusts the motor to move the shaft until the desired position is reached. Holding position. Once the shaft is at correct position, the servo will hold it there even against some resistance. Key characteristics of servo motor. First is the accuracy, how closely the servo can achieve the desired position. Second is the speed, how quickly the servo can move to a new position. Torque, the amount of force the servo can exert. Size and weight, servo comes in various and weight to suit different applications.